Are you getting annoyed by the Microsoft User Interface XAML DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. As we get into the manual process for Microsoft User Interface XAML, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Microsoft User Interface XAML, the Microsoft User Interface XAML Library, WinUI. It provides the localized templates and styling for modern UI controls used in Windows desktop applications. It facilitates localized theme-aware rendering and modern animation frameworks. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. If Microsoft User Interface XAML DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Microsoft User Interface XAML. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Microsoft User Interface XAML DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Microsoft User Interface XAML references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Microsoft User Interface XAML error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.